Hey guys, I just wanted to jump on. I've had a couple of people ask about how to get the white box off of their logo. So, for many, you're able to do that right within Canva, and it's not very difficult. So, what you're going to want to do is create a new project, and we're going to just do, we can do it in a Facebook post, and you're going to just create a blank Facebook post. And what we're going to do is we are going to upload your logo. So I'm going to upload one of our client files here. And we're going to upload the logo and place it into this blank project, right? So as you can see, this is going to, and I'm stretching it just so it is large, because we're going to create a new logo without a background. So we're going to stretch it out, and what we're going to do, just so you can see, I'm going to go ahead and put a background in here just because I want you to see what I'm doing, and you can't see it with the white on white. So I'm going to go ahead and place a background. We'll make a blue background just for the sake of this, and I'm going to make that as my background. Okay, so now you see that her logo has, let's change this color because it's gonna fade out when we do the logo. All right, so you see we have a background, and we see that the logo itself has that white background. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the logo image so that we're telling Canva this is what we're working with. You've got the way you can tell is you've got the purple line around the image of the logo, and we're going to go here to edit photo. So right here to edit photo, and when you come over here into your tools, you'll see that there is a background remover. So we are going to tell it to remove the background of that, and now you can see that there's no longer a white box. Okay, now if you wanted to save this as a file in your brand hub of your logo without that background, what we're going to do here is we're going to now remove the bigger background. So we're going to come over here and turn that to a white. So now we have no background, right? And then we're going to download it. And when we download it, super important, you're going to download it as a PNG. Okay, so you have a lot of different options, and a lot of times our default is to go to a JPG because we know like that's an image, right? But a PNG is also an image, and it is a required image if you want to have the transparent background hold in the download. So now we can just download that file, and I would call it logo. So go up here to your file name, logo, your firm name. So we'll call this brown, and we'll do transparent background. So I know that this file has that transparent background. And then we come here again. We're going to download it. We're going to download it as a PNG. We're going to download it as a transparent background, and we're going to download. And now you have that as a transparent background saved on your computer. And if you wanted to go in and put it into your brand hub, you would come back over to your brand hub, click edit, and click on your add new for logos, and you could upload that logo with the transparent background. And then it's going to be there as an option for you, and it'll be a transparent background. If you wanted, you could crop this down so it's just the size of the logo, and that's another training. You don't have to do that to make this work. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to jump on and show you a little bit more about how to do various things in Canva. So if at any time you get stuck, shoot me an email and I will show you how to do it. Again, I record it here and share it in the group so that everybody benefits from the training. Thanks. Bye-bye.